In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dive into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, let's talk about accounts. To make the most out of Pinterest, it's really important to create or use a Pinterest business account. You might be wondering, what exactly is a business account? Well, it's the version of Pinterest where you can access various features designed to help you promote products and analyze your engagement. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and set that up. Just visit the Pinterest website, click on Join as a Business, and follow the prompts. It's super straightforward and worth your time. Once you have your business account all set, it's time to choose a product. But not just any product. It needs to be from an affiliate program you're eligible to use. There are plenty of affiliate programs out there. Some of the most popular ones include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Rakuten. Take some time to browse through these platforms to find products that resonate with your interests and your audience. It's really important to select a product that aligns with what you're passionate about or what your followers might love, because authentic recommendations really do make a difference. After you've chosen your product, it's time to create a pin that features it. Now, let's take a moment to discuss what a great Pinterest pin looks like. Your pin should be visually appealing. Think high-quality images that catch the eye. The ideal aspect ratio for a pin is 2:3, so make sure your images are sized correctly, as this helps them stand out even more on users' feeds. You can use various graphic design tools like Canva to help you create stunning visuals, even if you don't have a lot of design experience. Once you've got your pin image ready, you'll need to add that all-important product or affiliate destination link. This is where you're going to drive traffic when people click on your pin. Pinterest allows you to add a link directly when you upload your pin, so just paste in the affiliate link. Make sure that the link works and directs potential buyers straight to the product page. This is crucial for your affiliate commission to go through. Next up, let's focus on the title and description of your pin. This is your chance to shine. Add a clear title that tells users exactly what they can expect from your pin. Pair that with a description that's not only catchy but also optimized for Pinterest search. Utilizing relevant keywords is important here since it helps your pin show up in searches. Think about what someone would search for when looking for this type of product and incorporate those terms into your description. Now that you have your pin image, title, and description all set, it's time to publish. Simply click that publish button and let the world see your creation. Remember, the best time to post is when your audience is most active, so keep an eye on your Pinterest analytics to figure out when that is. Finally, let's talk about the most exciting part, earning commissions. Every time someone purchases through a qualifying affiliate link, you earn a commission. It really is that simple. Of course, the more you engage and create quality content, the better your chances of earning will be. So there you have it. Pinterest affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to share products you love and potentially earn a little extra income. Remember to keep experimenting with different products and strategies, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.